was being really dark, but here we are, boys. We're in the GTI. We're ready to rock. I got this today, so I'm gonna go ahead and fill up on E85, well, E30. So I gotta test it out, do my math, because you know what? We're low on gas, and it's, oh shoot. It's a nice night, and I figured, why not get on E30 and see what we're about. Let's go. Bruh. Moment of truth, boys. Been about 5 minutes. See what we're at here. I'd say we're about at E70. So I didn't fill it up all the way. I think if I fill it up more, I think we're at about E70, I'd say. So that's pretty good actually, because right now it's at like 60. I missed, I didn't fill it up all the way on the thing with the water. So we're about 10 off, I'd say. So, let's do the math. Fill this bitch up. I'll just be on my way, boys. We are here. GTI. What we got here? This is that Camaro I ran last time. Right cheer, boy fast, stock. And we got Mr. What's up, dude? How's it going? Good. Good. Where's your car at? Oh, it's right there. No, that's not you.
I know my white one, bro.
Okay, now we can race?
Huh?
Can we race now?
Sure.
So, E50, B5. See, these ones, you don't know what you got. Some are slow, some are super fast. You never know what you're gonna get. Alright, let me go find my people. I'm gonna run this fool. Dude. Pretty fast, but what I really like is this right here, guys. Look at this motherfucking Z. This thing is turbocharged. Nismo, big turbo, making like, I think 5 or 6, I think. Yeah, I think it's nasty, man. Look at this thing. This is very nice, dude. Super nice, guys. I don't even know what this is. This is just big, but it's fucking clean. I want this color. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're good now. We're about to head out. It's daylight saving, so we're about to lose an hour, so that's kind of lame, but I'm gonna try to stay a little farther back, work my way up, pull on people, and yeah, man, should be a good night. Yeah, it's a decent amount of cars out here. I'm on E30, so it should be good. I'm expecting spin, but yeah, let's get it. I'm gonna be on the GoPro, so I'll see you guys there. guys. We got a Cobalt SS, front wheel drive. Another front wheel drive guy. He's kind of loud. See what this dude's about. Go around with that Tesla though. That dude takes off, man. There's nothing. That instant torque is no joke. But top end, you know, I definitely got that. But yeah, he's quick, man. I don't think he wants it, boys. We're gonna want it. Alright boys, so car's running pretty good. One weird thing I noticed was I was in the middle of a pull with the Beamer, and I don't know, I kind of felt like, I don't know if it was just due to like losing traction, but yeah, the car threw the tire pressure sensor for all 4 of them, so it's weird. I tried to like reset it, but it didn't work, so I don't know, hopefully the car didn't mess up. I just did a pull with the RSX and it wasn't bad, so I don't know what it could be. So but yeah, we should be all set here. Gonna do it for today, guys. I mean, it was a good night, some decent runs in there. I got to rerun the RSX, so that was good. He has a K24 motor now. He swapped out the motor, same turbo setup. I don't really know what turbo it is, but it's I don't know what size it is. I'll ask him and I'll put it up. But yeah, so he's a little faster than he was last year, and I had, you know, last time I ran him, I was on my 93 and he was on his K20 motor, and pretty even. And then this time, same deal, except he's on K24 and I was on my E30. So we both spun second gear, and then, you know, I was actually pulling on him slowly. So, but he's not tuned yet. So as soon as he's tuned, I think I'm in for a gapping. But for now, guys, that was pretty good. Not too many runs. It was kind of hot out, so I mean, I think that's how it's going to be this year. It's going to kind of be tough. Yeah, it is that time, and technically, well, it's not even that because daylight savings is technically 4. So I gotta go to bed, wake up in 5 hours, and be a dad. So if you guys liked the video, make sure you hit that thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I got some good news coming in regards to I got next plan for my next mod or addition to the car. So you guys make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that. I'll see you guys later. Peace.